Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today we're going to show you how to do conditional formatting on your data 3 different ways. So step 1, we're going to collect our data. Step 2, in the upper left, we're going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Step 3, we're going to go to the right, and the first way that we're going to format is going to be for a value that is going to be greater than X amount. And today, we'll just say 97. Click to the right. Underneath that, formatting style. The first method that we are going to use is going to be text. And we want to bold that to pull it out a little bit. Fill color, we're going to do none. And done. So this is our first set of data points that we can see with conditional formatting. We're going to collect our data. To the right, add another rule. Underneath that, we have single color we're going to start with. And we'll just say if the format of the cell is, or the value is, and we'll pick our value of 95 and done. And we can pick whatever color we want. So it's going to pull out those values in just a single color. Now for the heat map piece to show the hot and cold. Collect your data. We'll add another rule. To the right, color scale. Below that, you can use one of the preview default methods, which is going to be already preset for you, or we can go down below and we can customize this. So we can see we want the minimum value to maybe be a darker blue. We want our hotter values or max value to maybe be the bright red. Done? And now we've got a heat map of the hot and cold for those values. This can be done for text, this can be done for numerical data, whatever you need. If you ever need to get rid of any of your formatting pieces, you can select on any of them. You will see on the upper right in the format menu, and then you can click on the trash can to remove that rule and maybe to create another one. So until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack. This is Gary the Google Guy signing off.